If you need to download assets in Figma, whether that's a layer, a group, or a full frame, this video will walk you through the fastest way to export exactly what you need. By the end, you'll know how to choose the right object, set up your export options, and download your design assets in the correct format for your project. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick Figma tips and design walkthroughs. Now let's jump in. First, open your Figma file and go to the canvas where your design asset is located. The first step is to select the asset you want to download. This can be a single layer, a group of objects, or an entire frame. Just click the element directly on the canvas or select it from the Layers panel on the left if that's easier for you. Make sure the correct asset is highlighted before moving on, because Figma will export exactly what you have selected. Once your asset is selected, look over to the right-hand Properties panel. This is where Figma shows all the editing and export settings for the element you've chosen. Scroll down until you find the Export section. If you don't see it right away, just keep scrolling a little further down the panel. When you find it, click the plus button next to Export. This adds export settings for that selected asset. Now it's time to configure your export options. Figma gives you a few different file formats depending on what you need. If you want a standard image file, choose PNG. If you need a compressed image, choose JPEG. If you're exporting a vector asset like an icon or logo, SVG is usually the better choice. And if you need a document style export, PDF is also available. After choosing your file format, you can also set the size multiplier. Common options include 1x, 2x, or even higher if you want a larger version for Retina or high resolution use. For most general exports, 1x is fine, but if you need sharper image output, 2x is a very common choice. Take a moment to double check the format and size before exporting. This is important because the settings you choose will affect image quality, file size, and how the asset can be used later in web design, app design, or presentations. If you're exporting multiple assets, you can repeat this same process for each one and set different export settings as needed. When everything looks good, click the Export button. Figma will label it with the name of the selected layer, group, or frame, so you may see something like Export. Once you click it, Figma will automatically generate the file and download it to your computer. Depending on your browser settings, the file may go straight to your Downloads folder or ask you where you want to save it. And that's it, you've now learned how to download assets in Figma using the built-in export tools. It's a simple process, but once you know where to look, it becomes really fast and efficient. Whether you're exporting icons, sections, images, or full layouts, Figma makes it easy to get the exact file format you need. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more beginner-friendly Figma tutorials, UI design tips, and workflow shortcuts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.